Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Micromax X419 dual SIM feature phone. So you can see what this particular phone looks like. This is the ocean green variant. This is a transparent cover on top, so you can take a very good look at the phone. You will notice that this is a retro design phone, a retro style phone, which comes with a display and numpad key. The display here is 1.1 inch. Sorry, the display here is 1.77 inch. And there are a lot of features mentioned. It comes with wireless FM radio, 21 regional languages, auto call recording for device, and a 1750 mAh power saving battery. More or less the same thing over here, including the 1.77 inch screen display. And that's more or less it. Okay, no, wait, there are some information here. We have a camera as well, the Vga Camera. There's also music and video player, Bluetooth calling and Bluetooth speaker, and wireless FM radio, which I mentioned earlier. There's also a screen capture option. We will take a look at it. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. These are the components of the box. First up, we have a user guide for the X419. There you go. Everything that you need to know on how to set up, what are the different components, what are the different features. They're all listed over here, including precautions and safety guidelines as well. This is the charger that comes with this particular phone. This is what you use to charge this device. It has a micro USB jack at the end. Next up, we have the removable rechargeable battery. Alright, there seems to be a plastic layer on it. Let me just remove that first. There you go. Remove this plastic wrap. So there you go. This is a 1750 mAh battery. Yeah, there you go. This is a 1750 mAh battery. Charging limit is 4.2 volts. Is a lithium ion battery, rechargeable lithium ion battery, only to be used with a Micromax charger. As written, use only Micromax specified charger. And now let's take a look at the phone itself. This is the Micromax X419. I'll remove this sticker. There you go. So this is the 1.77 inch display that I spoke of earlier. This and the color is ocean green. This is the ocean green variant of the Micromax X419. At the back, you will notice that this has a texture. This has a bit of a rugged texture. So if you drop it, you'll not get scratched or it will not break easily. And since this is a retro style phone, you will notice that the lower half is a numpad keypad. This does not come with a QWERTY keypad like a smartphone or a BlackBerry for that matter. There is the call receive and the call end button. This is the most important button. This is the button that you'll be using to turn the phone on and also to power it off, and also to escape any kind of app at any moment. Finally, over here we have a Vga camera and speakers. Notice the Micromax logo as well. Do we have anything else? There's a torch over here. There is a 3.5mm port and a micro USB port over here. I'm going to insert this battery and show you the display. It's a little tight. There you go. As mentioned earlier, this is a dual SIM phone. So these are the two dual SIM slots, and this is a micro SD slot over here. So I'm going to insert the battery. It's very simple to do that. Just make sure that these three metallic plates are connected to these three metallic nodes over here. So I will do just that, like so, and you should be good to go. I'm going to turn on the phone. There you go, we have display. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Micromax X419 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.